NPCI is hiring people for the role of graduate engineer trainee. Let's see about this company before applying for the job role. The company profile: National Payment Corporation of India. The NPCI stands for National Payments Corporation of India, an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India, is an initiative of Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banks Association under the provisions of the Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 for creating a robust payment and settlement infrastructure in India. This company is somewhat related to payment that side. Now let's see some of the eligibility criteria and what are all the process you want to follow to fill for this application form. And they have given some of the jobs and roles and responsibilities. Are you aspiring to work on emerging technologies and proven digital payment platforms? We are looking for fresher in various emerging technologies at NPCI. You may apply if you are a smart young innovator with digital first mindset, result oriented, go getter, do it in your own, do it yourself or self driven, can deal with dynamically changing ambiguous situation, research manic and ability to evaluate pros and cons of every situations, enquiries, accountability. Mandatory requirements are qualification BE or BTech in computer science or electronics and communication or IT, bachelor's 2017 to 2021 and 2016 to 2020 are eligible for the job role and should have 75 percentage in 10th and 65 percentage in 12th, BTech 60 percentage and MTech 60 percentage. Experience can be of 0 to 2 years of experience. The job location they have given is Hyderabad, Mumbai and Chennai, and they have mentioned some of the requirement skills like knowledge in OS, TCP IP protocols, design, develop software using Java and Python, knowledge of data models like Spark, Spark SQL, PySpark, and Hive programming, good understand about machine learning, deep learning, NLP algorithms, understanding of blockchain fundamentals, smart contracts, consensus algorithm, develop POC or run pilot on selected blockchain platform, basic knowledge in fundamentals of cloud computing, virtualization, and OpenStack, good understanding about containers, OpenShift or Kubernetes, good with data sampling and data mining techniques to build a model on skewed data sets, in involving in running analytical experiments with a methodological manner and regularly evaluate alternate methods via theoretical approaches. These are some of the skills they are looking for. Before attending the interview, you can prepare the basics of these topics so that it will be more useful while attending the interview, and also prepare your resume according to the skills required. And these are the things should be have the applicant must have the following good understanding of below skill set like algorithms, Java or Python, machine learning, Linux operating system, at least one of blockchain frameworks like Hyperledger, Fabric, R3 Corda, Ethereum, fundamentals of cloud computing and cloud infrastructure, mainly OpenStack. These are some of the skills they have mentioned. And perks of benefits is like 5 lakhs salary is fixed, and TCTC salary is like 6.35 LPA. And they have mentioned like the salary will be ranging from 4.75 to 5 lakhs per annum. Industry is it is an IT service and consulting industry. And they have mentioned some of the functional areas like software, e-commerce, internet technologies. Role category, you will be given a role of a software developer, which comes under programming and design. Employment type is full-time employment, which is a permanent. And location given is Mumbai, Hyderabad, or Secunderabad, like Chennai. These are the job location they have given. Let's see the process how you can apply for this job role. After clicking apply now button, there will be a form, and there will be an option like Nakuri. If you are using a Nakuri, you can go for this option like apply with Nakuri, and the registration form will be opened, and it's very simple. You want to mention your name, your email ID, mobile number, current location, and total experience if you have any experience. Choose your resume, and you should agree for terms and conditions. And also here they have mentioned like the resume should be in the form of PDF This is the format they have given for resume, and the file size should be of 3 MB maximum. And you should read the terms and conditions. After reading the terms and condition, you can tick this I agree to the same terms and condition. After, you can submit your application form. After that, you will be receiving a mail from no reply NPCI company regarding the further process. Using that mail, you can able to continue further for the interview process. I will be giving the apply link and telegram link in the description box. If you want to apply for this job role, you can use the apply link. And if you have any queries, and if you want to get the latest jobs, regarding jobs, you can join a telegram link given in the description box. All the best for your interview preparation.